Here we go, we're the Orange Army.
Hi, hello Orange Army. How are you all? I hope you all are being at home, staying safe. This is Yeshwan from Orange Army Fan Club. So as of there is no IPL going on, we are going to discuss about our home team Sunrisers Hyderabad. So coming to the topic, most of the questions asked by the fans, why is David Warner given the captaincy while Kane Williamson was doing his best? So we are going to ask our fan club members and let's discuss this topic.
Yashwant, my view of David Warner replacing Kane Williamson as captain of Sunrise Hyderabad in 2020 IPL is something a positive step taken by the Sunrise Hyderabad management. If we see, when David Warner has handed over the captaincy of Sunrise Hyderabad in 2015 నుంచి డేవిడ్ వార్నర్ ఒక పాజిటివ్ వైబ్స్ తెచ్చిండు ఆ క్యాప్టెన్సీలో. మనం చూసుకుంటే లీడింగ్ రన్ స్కోరర్ అయిండు. ప్రతి సీజన్లో సన్ రైజ్ హైదరాబాద్ని ప్లే ఆఫ్స్కి చేర్చిండు. యూనో కేన్ విలియమ్సన్ కూడా 2018 ఐపీఎల్లో వితౌట్ వార్నర్ అండ్ బేర్స్టో ఫైనల్కి రావడం అనేది చాలా గ్రేట్. కేన్ విలియమ్సన్ కూడా పాజిటివ్ వైబ్స్ ఇచ్చిండు. కానీ మనం 2016 ఐపీఎల్ని ఒక్కసారి చూసుకుంటే డేవిడ్ వార్నర్ హ్యాస్ ఎ వాన్ సింగిల్ హ్యాండెడ్లీ ఐపీఎల్ ట్రోఫీ ఫర్ సన్ రైజ్ హైదరాబాద్ యాజ్ లీడింగ్ రన్ స్కోరర్. ఆరెంజ్ క్యాప్ హోల్డర్ ఉండే. బట్ ఇది పెద్ద ఇష్యూ కాదు మన మేనేజ్మెంట్కి. కేన్ విలియమ్సన్ ఈజ్ సమ్వన్ హూ అడ్వైసెస్ వార్నర్ ఇన్ ద డిఫికల్ట్ టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద మ్యాచ్. మనం 2016 ఫైనల్ కూడా చూసుకుంటే కేన్ విలియమ్సన్ వచ్చి డేవిడ్ వార్నర్కి అడ్వైజెస్ ఇవ్వడం కానీ ఫీల్డింగ్ సెట్టింగ్లో అవన్నీ ఇట్స్ సంథింగ్ పాజిటివ్ వైబ్. ఇప్పుడు మన 4 ఫారినర్స్ కూడా ఎట్లా సెటిల్ అవుతారు అనేది ముఖ్యం. ఈవెన్ మనం కూడా ప్లేయింగ్ 11 మీద వీ హ్యావ్ సో మచ్ ఎక్సైట్మెంట్. ఆ ప్లేయింగ్ 11 ఏదై ఉంటుంది మన టీమ్ స్టిక్ అయి ఉంటుంది అని. సో దట్స్ వాట్ David Warner as captain for Sunrisers Hyderabad is something positive vibe, and Hyderabad always loves both Kane Williamson and David Warner. But David Warner is someone who maintains that positive vibes for Sunrise Hyderabad, both as opener and captain. That's my view, Yashwant.
Thank you, Rakshit, for giving your personal view on it. Moving on to the next member, Puneet Singh, and let's see what he says.
Hello, Orange Army. So the question today is, why was David Warner given the captaincy by Sunrisers Hyderabad again in 2020, replacing Kane Williamson? As per my opinion on this, what I feel is David Warner was always meant to captain Sunrisers Hyderabad after 2016. Even in 2017 he was the captain. In 2018 he was unfortunately not a part of Sunrisers Hyderabad due to some controversial issues. So Sunrisers did not have any other option rather than Kane Williamson. And my personal favorite season for Sunrisers Hyderabad is obviously 2018, because Kane Williamson has done a fantastic job replacing David Warner as the captain of Sunrisers Hyderabad. And so the reason behind David Warner being replaced by Kane Williamson, this question already came in 2019 when there were the fans who were asking, why is David Warner not captaining SRH? David Warner chose to continue with Kane Williamson as the captain of Sunrisers Hyderabad in 2019 because Warner was not there for the entire season. In 2019, if you all know, David Warner had to leave the Orange Army camp 2 to 3 games before the playoffs. So he chose not to be the captain of Sunrisers Hyderabad and continue with Kane Williamson. So we have seen Kane Williamson replacing Bhuvneshwar Kumar, and the captaincy was totally confused. So in 2020, what I feel, it was given to David Warner again. That's because Kane Williamson has done a fantastic job, but we would need another overseas batsman down the order. So if Kane Williamson was the captain and he was being replaced by a middle order overseas batsman, then we had to shift the captaincy to Bhuvneshwar Kumar. And if he is not available, then there would have been someone else. So that is the reason David Warner was given the captaincy back again in 2020, because he was always meant to captain the Sunrisers Hyderabad. No doubt Kane Williamson has done a fantastic job, because my personal favorite season is 2018. But David Warner should captain the SRH from now and forever. Thank you.
Thank you, Punit Singh, for sharing your personal opinion on it. So, moving on to the next member, Dheeraj.
Hello, bro. You have given me a topic about why David Warner got captaincy instead of Kane Williamson. Instead of Kane Williamson, until like David Warner has given us a Vivo IPL trophy of 2016. He was a leading high scorer of Vivo IPL at that time. And at that time, we got a bad news about David Warner. He's lost. He has got banned for 2 years for ball tampering. దాని తర్వాత విలియమ్సన్ క్యాప్టెన్సీలోకి వచ్చినాడు. హీ డిడ్ ఎ ట్రిమెండస్ వే ఇన్ హిస్ వే, లైక్ వి వెంట్ టు ప్లే ఆఫ్స్ అండ్ ఫైనల్స్ టూ, and but we couldn't make it. Why they were given the captaincy again in 2020 ante like they have the trust on David Warner. He can get back the trophy for SRH. ఎందుకంటే మన 2016లో వచ్చింది. why can't he make in 2020? So reason adi. So let's hope for the best for his captaincy. Go Orange Army.
So there is a personal view of Dheeraj on David Warner and Kane Williamson. Moving on to the next member, Manish.
हेलो ऑरेंज आर्मी, आई एम मनीष एंड आई होप आप सब घर पर है और अपना अपना ख्याल रख रहे हैं. एंड आज मैं एक ऐसे क्वेश्चन के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ which is being raised amongst all us Sunrisers Hyderabad fans. And yes, it is about the re-election, the reappointment of David Warner as the captain of our team. डेविड वार्नर, डेविड भाई, डेविड अन्ना, डेविड मियाँ, अब इनके बारे में क्या बोले. डेविड वार्नर, I guess, has been made the captain because of two main factors by the team management. The first one being his success, his previous success as our captain back in 2016, and the second factor is the team balance. Now, before justifying David Warner as the team captain, I'd like to say that there's absolutely nothing to be taken away from Kane Williamson. भाई केन विलियमसन एक बहुत ही क्रूशल पार्ट है हमारे टीम के. ही इज़ वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट ब्रेन्स इन द इंटरनेशनल सर्क्यूट एंड ही हैज़ लेड अस टू अ IPL फाइनल बैक इन 2018 in which he also won an orange cap. So there's absolutely nothing to be taken away from him. On the other hand, I would say David Warner is quite an aggressive captain and he has that charisma, that X factor about him which makes him a very bold decision maker. He's known for those quick moves and that enthusiasm on the field which pumps all the players on the field, and that is what makes him a very formidable captain of this particular format. The second factor, of course, is the team balance. Now, David Warner is the batting core and Rashid Khan is the bowling core of our team. And therefore, it becomes quite necessary to pick these two players. Johnny Bairstow has been fantastic. So these three foreign players are obvious choices. Now, the fourth foreign option always becomes a tough spot to seal in the team. And that is when we have to drop a class act like Kane Williamson and bringing the lack of extra spin bowler in the form of Mohammad Nabi, Fabian Allen, or even a finisher slot in the form of Allen, Nabi and Mitchell Marsh. Overall, I'd say that it is a very smart move by the team management and it is going to be a very fruitful one for the team indeed. Go Orange Army. Thank you.
Well said by Manish. Thank you for giving your personal opinion on David Warner and Kane Williamson. Moving on to the next member, Deepthi.
Hello Yashwant. So the question being, why is David Warner given the captaincy instead of Kane Williamson? So, taking nothing away from both of them have done a tremendous and extremely good job in captaining Sunrisers Hyderabad. So the main reason and the primary reason here, just like my other teammates mentioned, is because of the limited foreign players we can play in the match. So it comes down not to the player but the overall balance of the team. So to maintain the balance, we try to substitute people where they're necessary. See, if we play Kane Williamson, David Warner and Bairstow for sure, and Rashid Khan. Maybe there is a need for a foreign all-rounder in there, so we can't do that. If Kane Williamson is given the captaincy, it means that he has to be in the team for the entire season, in every single match. That isn't possible. In some situations, we might need an extra bowler or extra all-rounder in the form of Nabi. Okay, so that is the primary reason for him not being a part. And also, giving captaincy to Warner is beneficial because Warner is one such player who becomes like an explosive when he is given some extra pressure and responsibility. We have seen in 2016 how his form was so phenomenal and how he helped us lift the cup. So to bring back the exact amount of zeal and to lead everyone's friend, that's the reason Warner was given the captaincy. So this is the whole point I want to put forward, and there have been situations where international captains of other countries have been just a player in the IPL. In IPL, it is like in IPL in a team, a player who was not who is just like a Ranji player or not the top level and never captained India was given the captaincy instead of an international captain being present in the team. It is again because of this foreign limited foreign players thing. So in general, I'm not telling this is the first time this happened, because due to this reason that someone hasn't been given the captaincy. So that's that, and yeah, over to you.
Thank you, Deepthi, for giving your personal opinion on the question. So guys, David Warner is the key player of Sunrisers Hyderabad. That is why he is given the captaincy and to lead the team from front. Thank you for all the members who have joined and shared their valuable time with me. Any more questions to be asked, mention them in the comment box. The best questions will be discussed out by the fan club members. Until then, stay home, be safe, go Orange Army.
Go, 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 here we go. We're the Orange Army.